Welcome to TechBeans, guys. We've been discussing with our customers various options for modernizing their Oracle ERP applications. I've been joined by my colleague, Mr. Manish Asawa, who heads our Oracle ERP business, to discuss the various compelling reasons and benefits of modernizing their Oracle ERP applications. So, welcome, Manish.
Hello, Rohit. Always a pleasure.
Okay. So, can you tell us why our customers should think about or consider upgrading or modernizing their Oracle ERP applications? And why shouldn't they just be happy with their existing status quo?
So yes, Rohit, there could be three main reasons customers should consider to upgrade. One, it could be a commercially viable. Then it makes sense technically, and also business logic wise, it makes sense to upgrade. So commercially, let me tell you, every year a customer is paying 22% of their license cost towards upgrade and support. So though they might be using minor releases of Oracle, but to upgrade to a newer version with a lot of features makes more sense to commercially, to upgrade to the new version. Now, talking about technically, with so many features being released every 18 months by Oracle, and things which were enhanced to make use of that also and making the system more smooth and not only for the IT but also for the business, it makes sense to move it to the next version. Thirdly, if we talk at the business, when new features come, also a lot of business processes which were earlier being done through customization and things like that, no need to do the customization, and they can move on to the new features without customization and improve on their business process. So these are various reasons why customers should consider migrating or upgrading to a newer version.
But customers are also keen to understand whether they should just keep upgrading their ERP applications or they can also consider for cloud transformation.
Yes, Rohit. So see, ideally this depends on a customer, what they want to do. The Oracle will continue to support their existing applications and EBS and the on-premise versions. They will continue to support them. And but it is everyone is well aware about the price performance benefit which you get out of cloud and the new features and the way it works. And also to make use of that, Oracle has provided with different ways to transform onto cloud. It's not that you have to take entire application to cloud. There are different ways in phases how you can transition to cloud. So it makes sense, but it depends mainly on the customer. How do they want to take it?
So can you tell us a bit about these various options of cloud transformation?
Yes. So as I was saying, right? So Oracle provides different ways you can migrate to cloud. So one is if you want to reduce your infrastructure cost, right? So you can do only an infrastructure part and lift and shift your infrastructure to cloud while keeping your application version the same. So this is one way you can do first step to transition to the cloud. Second way is to make full use of the latest features available and the latest product available, which is the SaaS version. So you do everything on cloud and you upgrade to cloud basically. And another way could be if you want to transition in phases, as I was saying earlier, you can take some part, still keep some of it on premise. For example, you want to keep your let's say financials on premise, for example. But there are other modules which are available. For example, EPM is a product. So you can take planning and budgeting or consolidation and close that you can take onto the cloud, or you can do analytics on cloud and then tie and interface the two systems and make use of cloud features. And slowly as you become comfortable, you can migrate to cloud. So, these are different ways and options. Now it depends on the appetite of the customer. How do they want to do it? But these are the different options available. You can migrate to cloud.
Thank you, Manish. So let's discuss each of these in detail in our upcoming video on TechBeans. Thank you, friends, for watching this space. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, guys.